Now we study about the different digestive system in humans. Different components of food are required to maintain energy. Okay, so in our what are the components release the energy? When the carbohydrates, fats and proteins break down, energy is released. So that energy, for what we need the energy? For the growth, repair and maintenance of the body temperature. Underline this point. For what we need the energy? For the growth, repair and maintenance of the body temperature. And from where do we get the energy? From carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Okay, and we have studied and tested the presence of components of food in our previous classes. So here, apart from this, not only the carbohydrates, fats and proteins, in our body we also have vitamins, minerals, salts and water. The process of digestion helps to maintain the required levels in our blood. Okay, so in our blood, the process of digestion helps to maintain the required levels in our blood. Okay, so that digestion helps to maintain the blood level. This helps to fulfill the diverse requirement for resources of the numerous and diverse cells present in our body. Okay, so here sugar is required by most of the cells of our body. Mostly when the sugar level is less in our body, we feel giddiness. When some people feel giddiness, giddiness means what I think in Hindi chakka chakka hota hai na. So like that, when we feel giddiness, some people say eat chocolate or take sugar. When the sugar level is down in the body, we feel tired, we feel weak. Mostly sugar we get from where? From the carbohydrates present in the food. Understand? So here sugar is very important for the body. So sugar levels are thus maintained in our body. When the sugar level is down in the body, that means when the after the digested food, energy is released. Now our stomach is empty. Waste products also came outside. Our stomach is empty, so we feel hungry. Hungry means what? Bhook lagta hai na. So when we feel hungry, when the sugar level comes down in the body, so immediately message will be given to the brain. One signal will be given to the brain. Immediately brain will tell the walls of the stomach. So because of the brain, walls of the stomach will be contracting, it will be shrinking. So that time we feel as mild pain, means less pain and signaling, and we feel like hungry. When the sugar level comes down in the body, automatically our message will go to the brain, and brain will make the stomach to contract. That means that time we feel hungry. You see how we are feeling hungry. So in our digestive system starts with the mouth and ending where? It is ending in the anus. Okay, so here, okay, so think of some situations. You feel hungry. What happens when you scent of favorite dish reaches you? When the mother is cooking inside, when the time when we get the smell itself inside our mouth, we get so much saliva, that water fluid in the mouth. Yes, and our digestive system mainly, and when we feel hungry also, we feel stomach is paining, like that. Now all these signals are given by the brain. Mainly consists of tube extending from mouth to anus. Yes, it is from mouth to anus. And we have different names due to the structural variation. Due to the different works and function, different shapes, we have different names. So what are the digestive, what are the parts are there? When we see here, it starts with the mouth. Digestion starts in the mouth and ends in the small intestine. Okay, so starts here and ends in the small intestine here. So this one is called as what? Esophagus. O is silent, esophagus. And these diagrams are very important. Learn. This is the stomach, liver. This is the gallbladder. This round one is the large intestine, and this is the small intestine. Okay, so like this. And then here when we see, okay, so So how the digestion is taking place, which are helping, some glands are helping for the digestion. In some areas within the walls of the tube or outside it are certain organs that secrete substances that aid means help in digestion. So what helps in digestion? Which one helps in digestion? These are called digestive glands, like salivary glands present in the mouth, gastric glands present in the stomach, or internal while outside what is that mouth digest. Underline this point. Which one helps for the digestion? Digestive glands. What are the digestive glands? Salivary glands, gastric glands, and liver also produces one gland, gallbladder and pancreas. All these are the glands help for the digestion. Once more underline this point. Salivary glands, gastric glands in the stomach, internal inside liver one gland, gallbladder is one gland, pancreas is one gland. These glands helps for the digestion. These glands will be releasing the juices, digestive juices. Okay, that juices will helps for the digestion. Okay, digest juices and enzymes. Okay, so secretion releasing from these glands as well as from certain other cells, walls of the digestive tubes, helps for the process of digestion. For example, right here, salivary glands will be releasing the which enzyme? Amylase enzyme. Just write in the textbook side by. Amylase enzyme. And the next one, mouth. Gastric glands will be in the stomach, na? So gastric glands, what it will be releasing? Okay, hydrochloric, HCl means hydrochloric acid, and also some enzymes. Okay, name is not given, some enzymes. And then liver, which juice it will be releasing? The liver. Okay, just wait, I will say. Liver will be releasing the gallbladder and pancreatic juice from pancreas mixed with the gallbladder will be releasing the which juice means bile juice, bile, bile juice. Okay, bile. And pancreas will be releasing the pancreatic juice, juice, pancreatic juice. Gastric glands will release the HCl and gastric juice and enzymes. Salivary glands will be releasing the amylase enzyme. Gallbladder will be releasing the bile juice. Pancreatic will be releasing the pancreatic juice. So these juices, digestive juices and enzymes, are helps in the process of the digestion.